All right, so we all know the deal. We buy a car, we're single, we use it all the time. We go to the racetrack, start dating someone, get married, have some kids, buy a house, and then your car turns into this. So it's been about 4 years since I've done anything really productive with this channel. And first things first, we're really just going to baseline. Like, what are we going to do? What is the S2000's current state? Numerous scratches added to it. The alignment's out of whack because of going off at the track. I need to do an alignment on it. Just replaced the battery, but need to do some work there. Had a tree branch fall on it last fall because it was parked outside and didn't have a place in the garage. We have gym stuff for our garage here. In California, we didn't have any garage space, so it just sat outside. So this car has seen some neglect. And in that neglect, I am now going to, first we're going to do an overview of the car as it sits today. Once I uncover all this crap, we'll pull it out, we'll wash it, and we'll just do a little kind of walkthrough of where the S2000 is right now as far as how it stands. But like I said, tree branches falling on it, there's rips in the soft top, the alignment needs to get fixed, paint, I mean everything just needs some care. And so that's going to be the first thing. So let's check out the S2000. Let's pull it out. Let's start it up. It hasn't started in about 5 months. So let's start it up, see if it starts, and then we'll pull it out. We'll give it a wash today, and we'll do a little overview of where we're at with the car. Is that cool? I'll hopefully start it up. Oh yeah, in a second, hopefully.
Dad?
Yes.
Would
not see that.
Why are you touching the gear?
This is the battery tie down. I'm gonna scrub it up, paint it, get all this flaking paint off, and paint it up nice.
Dad?
You ever work on stuff and you're just like, so what happens when things aren't organized, huh? All right, hold on, Chappie, okay? Well, I'm trying to. Let's see, is this a 12 or a 10? Probably a 10. All I need to do is get this on. On tight enough. All right, 10 millimeter. That makes sense. Everything's 10 millimeter these days. Oh, here's the tie downs. Tie down pieces. All right.
Is it ready now?
Well,
Ready?
let's see. It might be. Is it gonna start, Chappie? That's what I'm thinking. All right.
Is it working?
Hey, it started, huh? Oh, we're not gonna paint the car.
I want to.
Oh, we can't do that.
Please, Dad.
Oh, let's see her. Does it drive?
Yeah.
Oh man, it kind of drives.
Why are you kind of dry? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Man. Dad.
Here we are. Yeah, what's up, buddy?
That was sunrise.
Yeah.
What?
All right, hold on. No, leave that there, please. That's for our cameras.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
All right, so here we are. Dirty. See some scratches in there already. Tuppy's down here. The exhaust is banging up against the car, so I need to fix that. Engine's running okay. I think overall a couple things. The tick 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 tick. Yeah, like a valve adjustment on it. There's a leaking shock over there. Need to do that. Probably should have a radiator flush. I've never done it. I've owned it since 2012. Headlights super hazy. Repaint the valve cover. Anyway, we'll do a full walk over once I wash it up. Quick walk around here. Wheels are dirty. Needs a good detail for sure. Adams Polish all-purpose cleaner. Let's see how this does. Need to repaint the valve cover or get it powder coated. Maybe try to just do it as stock as possible. It probably a lost cause from the. I can maybe try to re-clear coat it. Maybe just clear coat. We'll see. I'll just take them apart and see what I can do from that standpoint. Don't really know how to do that. There's just something soothing about working on the car and cleaning it up and getting it into a better shape. So, yeah, I mean, I think the main thing is get out the scratches. Will be kind of the big thing for me, and just kind of dial the car in. I'll create a list once I get back to the office on everything that I need to do to just kind of be happy again with the car. Mechanically, what do I need to do? Oil change, alignment when you use smart strings, properly install battery tray, adjust exhaust so it doesn't hit the body, spark plugs, radiator flush. Bought the car in 2012, never flushed the radiator, haven't done the spark plugs, need to do a valve adjustment, haven't done a valve adjustment yet. And then send the leaking shock to KW, unless there's any other suggestions in the Salt Lake area, but I was just planning to send it to KW so they can fix it. I'll plan for that, I think, in the next winter. Cosmetic, wash the car. I believe in kind of a snowball method of pick some easy things, some quick wins first. So I've done that, I've washed the car, and man, does it still need a ton of work. So clay bar, polish the scratches out, give it a wax, headlight restoration. I think I'll probably just pull the headlights out to restore those. Replace the mirrors with the OEM again. So OEM and adjustable mirrors. Maybe try to fix the APR mirrors, either strip the clear coat and re-clear coat it, or I could just paint them some color. Remove and clean the wheels. They haven't been removed and really cleaned since the track day that I did probably a year and a half ago, so it's been a while. New Softtop, got several holes in the Softtop, need to get that replaced. Create a hardtop storage solution, so that way I can easily drop the top in the summertime. Repaint the valve cover. It looks like that's pretty common is the flaking. I think I want to just keep it OEM look, so there's like a wrinkle paint that you can get. So take that off and redo the gasket there as well. Repainting that battery tray. Replace the windshield. There are several dings in it. I could probably just keep driving it. It's pretty pitted from the track. So maybe drive it for a little bit longer and then replace it because it's just going to get ruined again. And then replace windshield stripping that was damaged when the tree branch fell on top of the car. And then modifications. I've got blocks, half shaft spacers that I need to install. Car's lowered on KWV3. I do have fire extinguisher mount. I just need to mount it so that I can mount a fire extinguisher for when I'm at the track. I think it'd be a good time now to replace speakers and the receiver in the car. I mean, the stereo has always been pretty terrible. I don't drive it that much, but when I do drive it, it would be nice to have a stereo that actually sounds good. So that's kind of where we're at right now. Looking to pick off some easy wins, but also looking for input from you, what I should work on next, and document as I discover, because a lot of these things will be the first time I've ever done them on the S2000 or ever done them, and so it'll be interesting to kind of chronicle how well I do with accomplishing those items. So again, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe below. Give it a like as well. That really helps out. And look forward to producing some more content now.